DeckWise Ipe Clip hidden deck fasteners were designed to prolong and enhance the life of your hardwood, composite, or PVC decking. It's Kayla from DIYHomeCenter.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use Ipe Clips to create a smooth, fastener-free surface on your deck. DeckWise Ipe Clips were designed for exotic hardwoods and come in colors that further camouflage and conceal the fasteners between board gaps. Most hidden deck fasteners are made of metal that can react with wood, causing staining. The Ipe Clip is molded of a malleable plastic polymer resin coating. Its construction allows for the natural expansion and contraction of wood decking and provides UV and chemical resistant qualities. These hidden deck fasteners have been tested to be up to 3 times stronger than similar systems due to the black oxide stainless steel reinforcement. This insert is corrosion resistant and provides an easier installation by helping prevent the overdriving of screws. A gap spacing leg is integrated into the clip shape as one entire piece. The protruding legs are sized to fit general deck gap spacing for numerous species of exotic hardwoods, composite decking, and thermal wood decking. Legs will hold strong and not crumble or collapse under pressure. There are 3 types of Ipe Clips, all available in Shadowline Black, Hardwood Brown, or Composite Gray. Whether you use the Extreme, Extreme 4, or ExtremeKD Ipe Clip will depend on your type of decking. Extreme Ipe Clips have a 3 32nd-inch gap spacing, are recommended for use with air-dried decking, have a hardened stainless steel insert, are made from UV and chemical resistant glass-filled polypropylene, and have a square shape that provides more surface contact for holding. Extreme 4 Ipe Clips have a 5 32nd-inch gap spacing, are recommended for use with kiln-dried, composite, and PVC decking, have a hardened stainless steel insert, are made from UV and chemical resistant polyethylene, and have a versatile leg for maximum compatibility with decking materials. ExtremeKD Ipe Clips have a 1/4 inch gap spacing, are recommended for use with kiln-dried composite and PVC decking, have a hardened stainless steel insert, are made from UV and chemical resistant polyethylene, and have a hollow leg ideal for expansion of kiln-dried decking materials. To install DeckWise Ipe Clips, insert the clip into the pre-grooved slot where the deck board meets the joist. Use the DeckWise drill and drive to install. Pre-drill at a 45-degree angle through the clip and board. Insert a stainless steel trim head screw through the clip and board. Secure the Ipe clip and repeat over each joist. Slide the next board over the installed Ipe clips. Repeat. Visit DIYHomeCenter.com to shop or learn more about our many home improvement products. And if you have a question about something we talked about or need help with any other home improvement products, please give us a call. We're here to help.